Well, welcome back to Creating with Poetic Science. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit my Clack Fan template. Okay, I have this template in two to three formats. This is the drag and drop Canva frame. This is the SVG that you can use, and this is just backgrounds that you can use. But I'll show you um, how to customize these. Okay, this is the Canva frame right here. It's like 26. Let's go to the size. If to find the size in an image, you just select the image, go to position, and then go to arrange here, and here is the size right here. Okay, actually the actual fan is 25 by 13 inch, like 25 in the width and 13-inch high. So I add like margin to the sides here. Okay, to use this Clack Fan frame, you need to have your background already designed. Your background should be ready. Let me show you what I mean. I designed this background, okay? It's already, everything I want is in the background already, okay? So I'm going to select it and it comes here, and I will drag and drop them in here. So you see it contains all the glitters, and every element that I want on the background is already here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add like elements on top of it. Okay, elements. Let's say I want to make a unicorn ones for kids. I have these girls designed with AI right here in the Dream Lab. Okay, I will remove the background. Okay, and I will have this one to, let's say these two people are the same, these two girls are the same. I have her here. The other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to edit the image, make it more nice. Just I'm going to edit a filter over it, like fresco filter. You see that? Let me show you something. Let me teach you something about Canva frames. As long as you have your design and the arrow is on top of the frame will grab the design. Look what I mean. Like, look, you see my arrow? I'm moving it. Nothing is jumping. As long as I go into the, you see? As long as I reach into the frame with my arrow, look, my arrow is the cross there, it will grab on it. But if I keep it outside, it will never grab it. Okay, in this case I don't want it to grab the image, okay, because I have the background there. What will I use? You know, on your computer you have four arrows. One shows to the north, the south, the east, and the west. So to move to this side, we are going to use the one that shows to the west. Make sure you keep your image selected. If it doesn't want to move, deselect the image and go back, select it again. And then we're gonna move it. You see that it's moving? It's moving. You see that? It's moving. You see that? It's moving. If I want to make it smaller, you know, make it smaller and let it go and then move it again. That's how you move an image on a Canva frame without it grabbing on it, okay? Okay, let's go down here. Okay, I have this other one. I'm going to edit it with a filter over it. Okay, make them smaller. Do this here. They can make it bigger too. And then I'm going to move it with the arrow. You see that? Move her with the arrow. Okay. Right there. And I'm going to add my elements. You do the same with your elements. You do the same thing. Look, I have this cutie patootie here. I'm going to remove the background also. Like, make her a little bit smaller. I'm going to do the same with her. If she can't move, deselect her and go back to the image. Go back to it. Yeah, here. And then we can move her at some place. I have more of these cutes. Let me look for them down here. Okay, here they are. I'm going to use this one and this one. I'll remove the background. Okay, move her down here. I'll remove the background on this one also. The thing is, you see these colors here, you can change the colors here in the image. Let's go to the gold. Let's see if we can make the gold golder. Okay, came orange. Let's see. Yeah, you see it becomes more gold. Let's see the blue here. If we can make it bluer. You see that? Or this one. I love the color. You see how shiny it is? And the pink. Let's see if we can add. Ooh, that's amazing. You see, we could change the colors in there by selecting these and selecting all those. Okay, and I'm gonna remove the background. Look how pretty she is. I'm gonna make her smaller. And then we're going to move her also with our, make them smaller. Bring her to the side right here. Okay, this one here, bring her to the side as well. This one here, we're going to remove. Okay, we're going to change her color also. For this color, we'll have pink. Yeah, ooh, she's more beautiful. I'm gonna add this one. Oh, the purple. And this one. Let's see if we can add this one. Oh no, won't work. Will not work. Oh, it's worse. Okay. Okay, let's have her like this. And then we're going to put her on the side right here. Mm, Okay, I can make her smaller because I'm thinking about the margin, the print margin. So, so cute. Now add my text. Okay, add my text. Let's see, her name is Emma Clark. Now we're going to add our font. You can use whatever font you want. I'm going to use my Disney font. And I'll add an effect to her name. And let's see, I'll make it white. And then I'll make my text pink. Okay, I'll make it this pink. And I'll put her name here. Don't worry that this won't touch your it will not touch, text won't touch the screen, the background. Okay, Emma Clark. I'm going to write happy birthday. And then I'm going to add an effect to it right here. And then we can make them like this. Yeah. Happy birthday. Let's see. Have her here. Happy birthday. Maybe I can make this black. I don't know. Let's see if we can make them black. Or you can choose whatever color you want. Choose whatever color you want. Yeah, up here. And then we're gonna write the date down. Let's say May 3rd, 2025. Okay, for this one, we're gonna choose another font. We're gonna choose another font. Let's see, let's choose this one. Have a happy birthday. I think this pink is too pink. Yeah. You can add any more thing to it if you want to add um, extra glitter. You can add extra glitter to her. Let's see this one. Also move it with your arrow. Okay, over there and then down here. Come on. Okay, you went too far. Like make it nice. Then we can move them over here. Move them over there. Yeah, I think it's done. You are ready to print it and sublimate it on your fan. Make sure that when you print it out, you have to flip it. Like in your printer, you should flip the image so that you don't you don't print it the wrong way. Okay, so you're done. If you need this template, you can get it from my Etsy shop. I will leave the link for you, or from my website. And you can do the same here with the graduation ones. The graduation ones, um, you can use it for the same, add your background. I have the text for you and everything already in here. If you want the this one separately, I have the template also. You can get it. Yeah, and then make your fan and enjoy your graduate and also enjoy your kid that loves unicorns. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.